This is a quick tutorial on the Dispersed Camping Areas layer, which highlights national forest road segments that may contain potential dispersed camp spots. I'll demonstrate the app, but the web app usage is very similar. First, let's toggle on the Trails and Roads layer. Then go to the Camping layer and toggle on Dispersed Camping Areas. The yellow dot that just popped up indicates I'm not zoomed in enough to see the layer, so I'll zoom in a bit until that goes away. You can see from the key in the panel that this layer displays strings of small black circles with a white border in some areas of national forest land. It's important to note that the dots on the map do not show individual campsites, and if you zoom in too much, the layer isn't useful. Instead, these dots are meant to identify segments of forest roads where dispersed camping is allowed and there may be potential campsites there. For this layer, I like to keep the zoom at about this level to easily identify potential roads. I can also discern whether I'll need two-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive vehicle with high clearance by selecting the road. Then with the SAT base map, I can zoom in and pan along that section of road looking for potential sites. I find a potential spot and create a point to mark it. Then I continue this process to find and mark a bunch of potential spots to go explore when I'm out there. Download a map of the area before you head out, and you'll still be able to access all of the layers and points once you're offline.